This is a lightweight 2-burner compact stove hot plate from Companion, the perfect addition to a compact stove. Let's check it out.
Hit it.
Hey everyone, Ben from Snowy's today with a Companion stove hot plate. This is a really compact, lightweight way to get a nice hot plate or something to be able to cook snags or barbecue on if you've got a very compact 2-burner stove. Now when you buy it, it comes in a carry bag like this. Is a little zippered carry bag that is contained within, and inside is this hot plate here. Now this weighs about 560 grams. Measures about 40 centimeters from one end here to the other, not including the handles, about 20 centimeters across this way. And in terms of depth, it's got a lip that comes up about 1.5 centimeters here, and it's a little bit of extra height when you include the handles on there. It's a non-stick surface on the top here, so you're not going to have to scrub away after you've cooked your snags and things. It's going to clean off nice and easily. On the bottom, just a flat surface with curved sides, so it doesn't lock into anywhere, so it's quite versatile on what sort of stove you can put it on, but it's ideally suited to a stove like this where it hasn't got really big burners. You probably wouldn't want to use this on, say, a 10,000 BTU burner because it is a fairly thin alloy. It's about 1.5 to 2 mil thin. It's designed as a compact burner rather than a really heavy duty burner, but suits this type of burner perfectly. So this one here that we've got here now, 5,000 BTUs per burner. Now these are about 24 centimeters from center to center, just to give you a reference on how this might work if you're thinking of putting it on another burner. It just sits on top of there now, and that's given us a nice surface there to be able to barbecue some stuff or even cook some bacon and eggs if we like. That's pretty much all there is to say about the Companion hot plate here. Nice compact way to get a larger burning surface on a compact LPG stove. You can check these out or grab these online at snowys.com.au at our lowest prices every day. Got any questions, let us know down in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for all of our latest information. We'll check out some other videos like this one down here.